Exercise 14.1 up to question number 5 we have completed in the previous videos. Now question number 6. In this question he was given the table below shows that the daily expenditure on food of 25 households in a locality. Find the mean daily expenditure on food by suitable method. You can select any method to find out the mean expenditure of the daily of these people, 25 household people. Here we should take the tabular form. First class interval is given 100, 150, 150, 200. So this is class interval, and frequency is also given 4, 5, 12, 2, 2. Then I was selected the step deviation method or shortcut method. This is also called shortcut method. So for this one, first we should find out the mid value. Mid value means xi. Xi we have to calculate like this. Here lower limit is given 100, upper limit is given 150. So xi is equal to 100 lower limit plus 150 upper limit by 2. This is equal to 100 plus 150 is 250 by 2. So 250 half. 250 half is 125. Now this is the 125. Okay. Now 150 200. So next value 150 plus 200 by 2. So 150 plus 200 is 350. 350 by 2. 350 by 2 is 350 half is 175. So here it is 175. In between we have the difference is 50. So every number you added the 50. 125 plus 50 is 175. 175 plus 50 is 225. 225 plus 50 is 275. 275 plus 50 is 325. This is the calculation of middle value. Now deviation di is equal to xi minus a. A is the assumed value. So any one value selected. A. I am selecting a is equal to 225. A is equal to 225. So di means xi minus a. 125 minus 225. 125 minus 225 is minus 100. 175 minus 225, it is minus 50. 225 minus 225 is 0. 275 minus 225 is 50. 325 minus 225 is 100. This is the di. Ui is equal to di by h. H value is difference between two lower limits or two upper limits. 150 minus 100. 150 minus 100 is equal to 150 minus 100 is equal to 50. So h value is 50. So minus di by h minus 100 by 50. This is 0 cancel, 5 1 5 2 minus 2. This is minus 50 by 50. It is equal to minus 1. This is 0 by 50 is 0. So this is 50 by 50 is equal to 1. This is 100 by 50 is equal to 2. So generally ui value, wherever we have taken a, that is 0, remaining 1 minus 2 upper values, 1 2 lower values. Now you find out fi ui. Fi into ui. 4 2s are 8 minus 8. 5 into 1 minus 5. 12 into 0 0. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Now we add the positive numbers, it is 6. Negative numbers, 8 plus 5 is minus 13. Minus 13 plus 6, it is minus 7. Now this total you find out. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. 1 carry, 1 plus 1 is 2, 25. Sigma fi is 25. Arithmetic mean for step deviation method or shortcut method, x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. That is a is equal to 225. Sigma fi ui is minus 7. Sigma fi is 25 into h value is 50. Here 25 1s are 25 2s are. It is equal to 225 plus into minus 7 2s are 14. This is equal to 225 minus 14 is 200. 211. Therefore, the average daily expenditure on food is rupees 211. Question number 7. To find out the concentration of SO2 in the air in part per million, that is ppm, the data was collected for 30 localities in a certain city and is presented below. So concentration of SO2 is given 0 to 0.04, 0.04 to 0.04, like that. This is class interval is given, I wrote here. Now frequency is given 4992442. So this is given as a frequency. So here find the mean concentration of SO2 in the air. So mean we have to calculate. You can select any one method. I am selecting for this because of class interval is very small, that's why I am taking direct method. For direct method we can calculate middle value. So middle value means, you know that how to calculate the middle value. 0.00 plus 0.04 by 2. This addition of this to 0.04 by 2, it is equal to 2 ones are to 2s are, it is 0.02. So middle value of this is 0.02. Similarly, here the difference between these two, or adding these two, 0.04 plus 0.08 by 2. 8 plus 4 is 12, 0.12 by 2. So 12 half is 6, 0.06. So it is 0.06. Here difference is 4. 4 you add it, you get the remaining terms. 6 plus 4 is 10, that is 0.10. 10 plus 4 is 14, 0.14. 14 plus 4 is 18, 0.18. 18 plus 4 is 22, 0.22. So these are the middle values. Now find the Fi Xi. Multiply of these two. 4 to the 8, 0.08. 9 6 are 0.54. 9 10s are 90, 0.90. So 14 2s are 28, 0.28. 18 4s are 72, 0.72. 22 2s are 44, 0.44. Now adding of these two, that you get the sigma Fi Xi. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 8 is 14, 14 plus 4 is 18, 18 plus 8 is 26. 2 carry, 6, 6 plus 7 is 13, 13 plus 2 is 15, 15 plus 9 is 24, 24 plus 5 is 29.2 carry. So 2.96. Here sigma Fi, this total. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 9 is 17, 17 plus 9 is 26 plus 4 is 30. This is sigma Fi. Now arithmetic mean by direct method, x bar is equal to sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi. This is the formula. Just you substitute here. Sigma Fi Xi is equal to 2.96 by sigma Fi is 30. 296 divided by 30. So it is 9 times. 9 3s are 27, 276, it is 2. So it is 26 point, you keep it 0, it is 260, so 8 times. This is 3 8s are 24, 3 to 40, 20. So again you keep the 0, so it is 6. 9.86 we got it, but already one point is there after 2 digits. So then you take the value 0.0986 is the answer. This is ppm. Question number 8. A class teacher has the following attendance record of 40 students of a class for the whole term. Find the mean number of days of a student was present out of 56 days in the term. Here is also we should calculate the find the mean number of days. Mean only we have to calculate. Here also you can do any method. I am selecting the here step deviation method. Class interval is given 35 38, I wrote here, and frequency is also given 134. This is I wrote here, and we should calculate the middle value. Here middle value is 35 plus 38 by 2. This is 60, 73 by 2. 73 half is 2 3s are 6, to 6 are 12.5, 36.5. Here this is 36.5. Here the difference between these two is 3. The difference between these two is also 3. So 3 you add it, you will get the answer. 36 plus 3 is 39.5. 39 plus 3 is 42.5. 42 plus 3 is 45.5. 45 plus 3 is 48.5. 48 plus 3 is 51.5. 51 plus 3 is 54.5. These are the middle values. Here you find the total. 1 plus 10 is 21. 21 plus 7 is 28. 28 plus 4 is 32. 32 plus 4 is 36. 36 plus 3 is 39. 39 plus 1 is 40. Sigma Fy is 40. Now you select the A. So A you take any middle value. Xi minus A. 36 minus 45. 36 minus 45 is minus 9. And 39 minus 45 is minus 6. 42 minus 45 is minus 3. This 45 minus 45 is 0. Here 48 minus 45 is 3. 51 minus 45 is 6. And 54 minus 45 is 9. Now UI means you find out the di by h. H value we have 38 minus 35 is 3. Here 38 minus 35 is equal to 3. This is h value. A value we have taken 45.5. Now minus 9 by 3. Minus 9 by 3 is equal to minus 3. Minus 6 by 3 is equal to minus 2. Minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 3 is equal to minus 1. Here it is 0 by 3 is equal to 0. 3 by 3 is equal to 1. 6 by 3 is equal to 2. 9 by 3 is equal to 3. So Fi UI. Fi UI means 1 into minus 3. It is minus 3. 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. 4 into minus 1 minus 4. 4 into 0 0. 7 into 1 is 7. 10 into 2 is 20. 11 into 3 is 33. Now adding of these positive numbers. 30 plus 20 is 50. 53. 60 it is. Negative number 6 plus 4 is 10. 13 minus 13. 60 minus 13 is 47. Now these values substitute in the formula. This is the formula for step deviation method or shortcut method. Arithmetic mean is equal to x bar is equal to a plus sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi into h. A value we have 45.5 plus sigma Fi ui is 47 by sigma Fi is 40 into h value is 3. This is equal to 45.5 plus 47 into 3 is 141 by 40. By division of this 45.5 plus 141 you divide it in the rough. 141 divided by 40. 3 4s are 12. 120. It is 21. It keep the point and 0 and 4 5s are 20, that is 200. So it is 3.5. By adding of these two, 5 plus 1 0.1, 4 plus 5 is 9. So it is 49 days. This is the answer. Question number 9. The following table gives the literacy rate in percentage, that is the 35 in the 35 cities. Find the mean of the literacy rate. Here is also similar. Mean we have to calculate by any one method. I am taking here step deviation method or shortcut method. Literacy rate is in the percentage, that is class interval taken here. And number of cities, that is as a frequency I taken here in this table. Now we have to calculate the xi, that is middle value. 45 plus 55. 45 plus 55 is 100. 100 by 2 is 50. So here difference between these two is 10 is there. 45 55 it is 10 difference. So 10 10 you add it, you will get the all. 50 plus 10 is 60. 60 plus 10 is 70. 70 plus 10 is 80. 80 plus 10 is 90. These are the middle values. Now you select the A value, assumed value. A I am taking 70. 50 minus 70 is minus 20. 60 minus 70 is minus 10. And 70 minus 70 is 0. 80 minus 10, 70 is 10. 90 minus 70 is 20. Now ui is equal to di by h. H value, h is equal to 55 minus 45. H is equal to 55 minus 45 is equal to 10. So h is equal to, you have the 10. So ui is equal to di by h, minus 20 by 10. So by cancellation of these two, it will get the minus 2. It is minus 10 by 10 is equal to minus 1. This is 0 by 10 is equal to 0. This is 10 by 10 is equal to 1. This is 20 by 10 is equal to 2. Now you find the fi into ui. Fi value is 3, ui value is 2. 3 2s are minus 6. 10 into 1 minus 10. 11 into 0 is 0. 8 into 1 8. 3 into 2 is 6. Addition of positive numbers, it is 14. Addition of negative numbers, it is minus 16. Minus 16 plus 14, it is minus 2. And this total is 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 11 is 22. 22 plus 10 is 32. 32 plus 3 is 35. So A value we have assumed 70. These values substitute in this formula. Here you have the formula step deviation method or direct shortcut method. X bar is equal to A value is 70 and sigma fi ui is minus 2 by sigma fi is 35 into h value is 10. H value is 10. So 70 plus into minus minus 10 2s are 20 by 35. This is equal to 70 minus, here it is 5 4s are 5 7s are 4 by 7. This is 70 minus this division you do here 7 4 0.0 7 5s are 35 5 again 0 7 7s are 49. So 0.57. 70 minus 0.57. 10 minus 7 is 3 and 9 minus 5 is 4 point, here it is 9, here it is 6. 69.43. 69.43% is the answer.